Good evening, children. This video is to discuss the topics that we have studied right now in theory. Okay, so we will start first with the icons that I told you. Three icons. The three icons that I told you were computer, network, and recycle bin. Can you see, children, right now this recycle bin is filled up, means there are files there which we can retrieve. Can you see, there are so many files which we can retrieve because we have deleted those files. Okay, so when we want to retrieve these files, what we will do, we will just right click on it, we will go to restore, and these files will come back in the original memory space where they were earlier stored. Okay, why these files are here? First of all, because they were deleted. Okay, and if we want to delete everything in the recycle bin, we will write empty the recycle bin, and if we want to restore all the files, then we can do one by one by using this restore this item. Okay, children, so this was recycle bin. Close this window, and this is computer. Now we will go to computer. We have double clicked on it. Here I told you that there can be different drives. First is local disk, that is C drive. Here the system related data is stored, and this drive should be kept empty for system to function properly. Okay, this is not written in your book. This I am telling you that we need to keep this drive empty so as to so that the system can function properly. Because if this drive is not empty, system will have problem in its functioning. Then this is D drive, and this is totally empty E drive. Okay, here there are three drives. We can store data in D drive or we can store data in E drive also. Okay, so this was about computer. This is network icon, and this is recycle bin. Okay, now we will go to control panel. Control panel right now you can see here also, but we will go through start menu, and this is control panel. And here we come to this control panel window. All control panel items are there in this window. Can you see all the items there? And they can be sorted in these ways, three ways: category, large icons, and small icons. Here right now they are sorted in large icons. Okay, now you have studied about mouse. From this place we can change various settings of the system, which you will not do, because this can create problems for your parents if you will change any setting from here. It is only for you to study. Okay, so let's change the pointer of the mouse as I told you in the theoretical video also, and it's written in your book. When you will click on it, this window will appear. Okay, so these for buttons, this is for pointer. Let's see, this is normal select. Right now we have this pointer. Can you see this arrow kind of pointer which we have? Right now we have this arrow kind of pointer. So now we can browse from here, and these many pointers are there. You can see many pointers are there. Let's see which all pointers are there. Okay, so let's say we choose this one. Okay, it's in the form of hand. This is Excel. We will choose arrow link large. L means large, Excel means extra large, and we will open it. Okay, so this pointer will come, and if we will click on apply, see the pointer will change. Can you see this pointer has changed? Okay, this pointer has changed. That arrow thing is disappeared and this pointer has changed. Again, if we want to change, so what we will do, we will choose normal pointer, that is, wait, we will go to mouse and we will choose arrow pointer. Okay, we will open it, we will apply it, and again it will change to original pointer. Okay, this way you can change the setting of the pointer. Okay children, now this was about control panel, right? The next topic was sound recorder. Let's see if we have sound recorder. Okay, sound recorder was present in all programs, accessories, and in this there was a sound recorder. Okay, an audio recording device cannot be found. As I told you that there has to be a audio recording device attached to it. So here in this system there is no audio recording device, so we cannot use sound recorder. Okay children, and now lastly we will go to games. You will go to this, then all programs. Okay, and here the games. In the book you can see many games are there, but here we don't have many games. We have this free spider solitaire. So I will open this game for you. Okay, now this game is opened for you. Here it is saying spider 2 suits. So we will click on it and this game is open for you to play. Okay, so this way you can play games. If you have other games in your system, you can play them also. Thank you. This was all about this chapter. See you tomorrow in the class.